Feel like a brand new person. The same old mistakes. Can't get lost before it's too late. Feel like a brand new person. The same old mistakes.
Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl K Love, and I am back with a new video. So today's video is going to be a mini haul. I did a little bit of shopping today in one of my favorite stores, so I grabbed a few items. Everything that's in this bag is $13 and under. I basically knew what I was going in there for, and I basically budgeted myself. So I just grabbed a few things. I did, like, you know, a mini shopping. These are just items that were on sale, and it's holiday season, so the store that I went to today is Burlington. That's one of my favorite department stores, aside from Marshalls and Ross. They're pretty much all the same, but different prices on stuff, but they're pretty much the same. It's just Burlington has better home stuff to me, in my opinion. Only Burlington in that area, so in order to get to another Burlington, you have to drive at least another 30 minutes. So everyone goes there, and the lines are super long. So today I went at 1 p.m. because around the hours around 4, 5, 6, the lines are extremely long. I mean, it's holiday season. Even when it's not holiday season, the lines are just all the way in the back of the store. So I was off today, and I was like, you know what, let me just go ahead and go in there, see what they got. So the first item that I picked up is this home decor. You know, it was only $3.99, so it was $4, and I thought this was super cute. I probably will put this in my kitchen on the top of the cabinets. It's like space up there. I probably will just put this up there, or I might put it by my entertainment center. I'm not quite sure yet, but I thought this was really cute for $4, and it's not cheap material. It's very sturdy, so I grabbed that. The next are I had got this toothpaste holder. I don't know if you guys can see. This is so pretty, and this is the price. I only paid $1.99 for this. Super cute, right? Only $1.99, and it is by BB. I don't have a toothbrush holder, so immediately when I saw this, it was super cute, and it's like glam, so I like that. I got this, which is also by BB. It's a soap dispenser, and this was only $2.99. Really inexpensive. And I'm pretty sure they had a lot more stuff, but I probably missed it because, again, that Burlington is a hit or miss. If you don't catch them when they first put their stuff on clearance, that day it's gonna be gone. They also had a lot of Halloween stuff on sale, but I really didn't know what I wanted to do with the Halloween stuff. I could probably like spray paint some things. So that's all for the home stuff that I got. We're gonna go in with the clothing items that I bought. I bought this bra. This was the most expensive thing I bought today. I have big breasts, boobs, so I wear 40 double D, and I got this bra. I have to get sturdy bras. I tried to get them in the cutest bra I can, because with big breast women, we don't have the best looking bras, and I will refuse to wear a grandma bra. I do wear push-up bras, I wear other type of fancy bras, but it's not supportive. I probably wear those bras when I go out to the club or when I'm going to a nice outing or something, but on the regular, like to work in my everyday wearing, I probably just wear one of these. And so far it's very supportive. It is nice fitted. It has really good material, and it has a lot of coverage in the back, and it comes with 3 hooks. I always put mine on the last because I like the extra secureness, because your girl needs all the secure she can get. So this was only $12.99. and they had different colors, but I always stick with black or beige. I never get my girls in white. Item that I got from Burlington were these tights. These were only $5.99. It's super cute. Really good stretch material, and it's more so, it's like a spandex mixed with cotton type of material. It doesn't really say, but I thought these were cute to wear maybe in the house. I wouldn't really know if I will wear these out, but we'll see. And that is pretty much all I bought today. I just went ahead and treated myself. And when you go shopping, you don't have to overly shop. Some people, they always feel like they have to spend a ton of money. Just remember that you always have your next paycheck to buy a little bit more. Once in a while, you always have to treat yourself. Don't forget about you. I always tend to think about other people when it comes to shopping. For me, I always just be like, oh, I'll wait another time, or I'll just get it another day. I had to stop doing that because, you guys, I went through my closet and everything is just like, damn. It's some stuff is still new, but I can't fit it because I put on some weight. But like, everything is just the same. It's not like, I'm outgrown, I'm getting older, so it's just like these clothes gotta go. And I'm so used to just not buying things, and I'm okay with that because I can put on anything and make it look good. I'm just that type of person. But when I want to go out, it's an issue. Like, I can't find anything, so I had to you know, just pick up a few items, and it made me feel good today. Like, literally, I had to really tell myself, get up, go grab some things, and your money always come right back. Money always come right back. I have a job, so it's really no excuse. I'll spend it on food. I always spend money on food before I buy myself some clothes or some shoes or something, because food is life. I love food, so I had to stop doing that. So anytime I think of food, I'll think about buying me something from the store, clothing store, a pair of shoes or something. And my kids, I always buy them stuff. So it's just me. I have a problem with me. I don't never put me first, and I have to stop. Always put you first. You're important just like everybody else. So again, you don't have to always shop above your budget. These items I bought were on clearance. I noticed with a lot of stores like Thanksgiving or Halloween, Christmas, they have so much Halloween stuff that are 99¢. Try to catch the sale 2 days before the actual holiday. So Thanksgiving is coming up. I know I'm gonna go in Burlington around the 20th kinda and see what items they got or marked down, because they're gonna have to get rid of all that Thanksgiving stuff. Same thing with Christmas, same thing with New Year's. I'm not really sure with New Year's, but yeah, that's almost every store do that. And I figure that's a really, really good way to save your money if you're on a budget and you're not looking to spend a whole bunch of coins and stuff. If you have a Burlington in your area, check it out. They have a lot of Halloween things that are on sale. I mean, 99¢, $2, $1.99. They have a lot of swimsuits on sale. Basically out of season things. Burlington do offer layaway. If anybody is interested in that, they do offer layaway. I guess it depends on the area you're in. So if you were looking to like start Christmas shopping but you don't have the money right now, they always have layaway for people. It's not a store that I shop at often, but Walmart have layaway too for electronics. Like if you want to start Christmas shopping and get some electronics, Walmart offer layaway. And I'm not sure how much you have to put down, but with Burlington you have to put down at least 20% of the total purchase. And it used to be 60 days, but now it's 30 days. Someone told me they changed the date to 30 days because a lot of people wasn't coming back to pick their stuff up, which is stupid, because how you pay your money and you don't come back for your stuff? Literally. Like, I used to work at Burlington way back in the day, and when it was time to clear the 60-day layaways from upstairs, it was packed out. Literally nobody used to come get their stuff, and the manager used to be so upset because it's like You're missing out on sales because there's so many good things that people put on layaway and so many good things that could be bought, but it's busy upstairs just sitting there. You may want to buy it, it can't get it, and that's just missing out on money. If you ever wanted to try the layaway method in money, just make sure you make payments as much as you can. That way you can get your stuff. That is pretty much it. I know this was a little bit of things, but I was so excited to share with you all. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'm trying to get to 1K subscribers. I'll be doing a really huge giveaway, and it's not going to be one giveaway, it will be 3 winners. So if you guys can get my channel to 1K, I will really highly appreciate it. I'm really looking forward to this giveaway, and again, it will be 3 winners, not one. I'm just trying to, you know, succeed in this YouTube, and subscribing is free. So share this video, share my channel. I'm always here for support, positivity, good vibes, and this is what this channel is about. And I'm just glad. Make sure you are a part of the love gang. Subscribe. Be bomb, be blessed, be better, and always be yourself, sis. And I see you loves in my next video. Bye, loves.